This is to inform you about a free webinar, technical, practical live session today on stored procedures versus function, a friendly comparison with examples on Microsoft SQL Server SPs versus UDF, user defined functions. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Assure you complete practice oriented classes from scratch, and we have been into this training services for more than 19 years with good number of MNCs and technical clients across the globe. We at SQL School will be completely dedicated to Microsoft SQL technologies primarily, and also into Oracle and AWS technologies as well. I assure you the end-to-end implementation practical quality classes from our school. In our actual training classes, once the participants attend the demo sessions, they are guided for installation. Once they complete installations, then they enroll for the course. Ensure on-time practice assignments to get the maximum benefit from our practical and interactive classes. We guide our participants for certification. We guide our participants for our resumes, for their resumes and job search. No doubt, the sessions are very much detailed step by step with specific day-wise roster, day-wise course plan, highly interact. We compel, or in fact, I must say, we force the participants to be more interactive in the classes so that we can learn more and more together. With this information, let me state again, we have nice and good number of reasons. You have good number of reasons to choose us. Detailed step by step, concept wise FAQs, highly interactive, weekly case studies, certification guidance, job guidance, mock interviews, one-to-one resume meets either in person in Hyderabad or online. And the interactive interested participants, they have priority access to our premium content. Free webinars are common. Few webinars are common for everyone public, and few additional webinars would be a premium content which is actually planned for interactive serious participants. We love the subject, it is going to give us more, right? We do more, we get more. Back to our free webinar today, and even the webinars that we are going to post on a routine basis in future. How to attend them, how to take part in them. You join our SQL School WhatsApp channel so that you enjoy the technical videos now and then, job posts frequently, and live webinar access. Let's meet today at 9 p.m. IST. You may reach our team for the courses that we offer and the demo sessions links, the invites. You may reach me directly for any kind of clarifications pertaining to your resume or job work. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. See you there at 9 p.m. IST today. Thank you so much.